I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your source and app readiness. Import a true 10-bit HDR clip into VN. This preserves extended color and highlights. Once done, make sure the VN app is updated and your phone supports HDR playback, because the app will only display and export HDR when the device and media align. If the project offers a color profile switch, select HDR, otherwise keep native settings. This first step prevents tone mapping loss later and keeps your highlights intact. Now you perform color and exposure adjustments with an HDR mindset. Start with primary correction. Raise or lower exposure gently, pull down blown highlights, and expand midtone contrast, because HDR gives more dynamic range to shape. Once balanced, use masks or selective tools to protect skin tones and specular highlights, ensuring they don't clip. Avoid heavy LUTs that compress HDR headroom. Instead, use subtle curves and saturation boosts. Make sure to inspect waveform and histogram, often to keep legal ranges and avoid irreversible clipping. To finish, export with VN's HDR or 10-bit option, select HEVC-H, 265, and retain color metadata so HDR flags travel with the file. Once exported, play the video on a verified HDR display or phone to confirm highlights and colors match your edit. If you see banding, posterization, or clipped highlights, return to the project. Reduce curve contrast, lower highlight recovery intensity, or enable any available dithering. These fixes restore smooth gradients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.